Yield efficiency just maximized for this batch.
Excellent. The automated packaging sequence is ready to engage.
This data point confirms the stringent performance specifications are met.
Agreed. Quality consistency is exceptional on this batch. Our manufacturing sequence integrates automated systems for precise firmware flashing and boundary scan testing.
Enabling reliable consumer technology solutions serving billions of users worldwide, guaranteeing optimal production efficiency and exceptional quality outcomes.
The automated data collection confirms optimal production efficiency on this SMT line.
The predictive analytics
Look at the real-time data. We've optimized throughput on line 3.
Quality metrics are holding steady at 99.8%.
The pressure differential monitoring shows optimal stabilization.
Excellent. Yield metrics are exceeding targets.
Yield efficiency just updated to 98.8%.
The defect detection protocols are working as expected.
Implementing automated guided vehicle systems with sophisticated traceability management platforms and comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities.
This phase rozpocząć zwykłe szewiten sordation. This phase the rain frost
The signal integrity validation looks good here.
Yes, the real-time monitoring and predictive analytics confirm consistent quality.
Check the schematic, we've got an amber spike in the calibration sequence.
Rerouting data flow and initiating predictive cycle 4. Levels stabilizing now.
Look at the real-time data stream. The yield metrics are holding at 99%.
The predictive models suggest we maintain this.
We implement rigorous environmental stress screening and certified methodologies, meticulously documenting all results.
Are we compliant with the industry standard protocols for this frequency range?
Yes, the spectrum analyzer confirms we are well within limits.
Final sequence initiated. All tests green.
Documentation confirms compliance with global standards. Ready for release authorization.
Based on the data from the rigorous testing, we should authorize the product release.
I agree. The yields meet our targets.
The noise floor measurement stabilized at -92 decibels.
Confirmed. Recording the final validation metrics now.
Power verification is complete according to protocol. The sustained load is stable.
Confirmed. Results match the baseline thermal output. The oscilloscope analysis confirms signal integrity. We are clear on the validation testing.
Meticulously documenting all results now for final authorization.
Look here, this schematic shows the tolerance levels for the new assembly.
We need to adjust the input voltage slightly to meet the protocol.
We're seeing a spike in the predictive failure index for reactor gamma.
Engaging countermeasures. Levels are stabilizing now. Yield projection remains optimal.
Phase 3 verification running smoothly.
Confirmed. Parameters are well within superior manufacturing standards.
The analytics platform is showing a significant positive trend in quality control.
We're seeing green indicators across all.
By utilizing these advanced analytics, we've maximized manufacturing excellence and significantly reduced costs across the board.
Throughput capacity utilization is up 15% this quarter.
That aligns perfectly with the yield optimization strategy.
Inventory turnover optimization is showing immediate results on the dashboard.
The defect detection system is online.
Predictive excellence is showing a 3-point increase in quality improvement this quarter.
The advanced analytics integration is clearly maximizing our operational efficiency.
The data integration from customer feedback is directly impacting yield efficiency. We're seeing continuous quality improvement.
Monitoring the thermal data confirms our sustainable practices are improving efficiency and reducing the warranty return rate.
This integrity failure is cascading fast. We need the analytics report now.
Causal link confirmed. Initiating the rollback sequence.
The advanced analytics confirm we've maximized operational efficiency this quarter.
And the continuous quality metrics are exceeding targets.
The reliability qualification data confirms the success of this technology refresh.
And the advanced analytics platform
This confirms the next generation ML optimization.
Integrating it with manufacturing gives us the competitive advantage.
The integration sequence completed flawlessly. That confirms the viability of the collaborative platform. The data stream is stable.
This is Mass.
If we optimize the antenna array design like this, we can increase bandwidth significantly.
And that gives us.
Our lab integrates fundamental research with practical manufacturing, incorporating sustainable practices in electronics production for the global market.
This design ensures consistent quality during the manufacturing process.
Excellent. We can integrate this into the new flex circuit prototype immediately.
These stress test results confirm the new composites meet industry standards. This demonstrates the operational excellence of the new system.
It solidifies our competitive advantage in the market.
The manufacturing yield optimization data suggests an adjustment to our strategy.
By utilizing this as free.
Global market data is green across all key segments.
The risk assessment confirms we maintain our competitive advantage.
As you can see from the market share projections, our strategy is driving innovation across all key global electronics markets.
Our strategic initiatives are working. We've significantly reduced manufacturing costs and ensured global regulatory compliance, securing our competitive edge.
Strategically positioned within the global electronics supply chain, this integrated production ecosystem effectively serves billions of consumers worldwide.
From this perspective, we see the complete integrated production ecosystem.
Strategically positioned, this advanced manufacturing facility is the heart of a global ecosystem serving billions of consumers worldwide. This facility showcases synchronized, continuous production. With integrated quality control and efficient logistics, we reveal a complete integrated production ecosystem, strategically positioned within the global supply chain. Enabling the production of data cables with exceptional precision. Our sophisticated robotic systems utilize state-of-the-art pick.
Look at these performance targets. The statistical process control system indicates we've maximized yield efficiency on this batch.
This data confirms the revised specifications improve yield rates significantly.
Yeah.
Exactly, stabilizing our performance targets.
Jason, the thermal gradient suggests we're exceeding the threshold in this sector.
We need to revise the component parameters to optimize heat dissipation.
The signal analysis highlights a potential defect here.
It's exceeding the specified parameters.
We need to update the manufacturing specs to address this for reliability.
The design specifications are finalized, but we must cross-reference the manufacturing parameters.
This update
The contamination control measures are improving the MTBF projections.
Agreed. We are meeting the performance targets for the critical components.
All systems green for thermal management.
Agreed. We are ready for full-scale production commencement.
Check the compatibility standards readout.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance for production.
The profiling data indicates we've optimized the process window.
Specifications are met. We can confirm manufacturing readiness.
First, we define the coordinates and tolerances directly from the schematic. Then the machine meticulously calibrates the nozzle. Our operator certification training programs demonstrate meticulous preparation procedures, systematically implementing automated surface mount technology. Our extensively trained technicians utilize cutting-edge selective soldering, ensuring exceptional precision and quality consistency. Reliability qualification confirms stringent performance specifications on this unit. Acknowledged. Quality consistency is maintained. Advancing the conveyor.
Look at the throughput metrics here. We are exceeding targets.
The AOI systems confirm quality consistency. Signal integrity validation passed on the current batch.
Confirmed. Thermal consistency is within the specified delta.